for the past like 10 minutes, I kept having to redo this video because I kept turning it off at awkward times. One time I was singing, I was like, what's the what I want? I'm not the best singer, so that's why I never sing in my videos. I might sometime, but not very soon. So, what was that? That's something interesting. Bye. I'm gonna go check it out. Tell me if you want to know what it is next time in the comments. Please subscribe. Subscribe. Get it?